Scroll effects in CapCut animate elements like text or images to move across the screen, creating visual interest. This is primarily achieved using keyframes. Keyframes define the starting and ending points of an element's position, scale, rotation, or opacity over time. For a basic scroll, you'll mainly manipulate the X and Y position properties. CapCut's interface allows you to add keyframes by tapping the diamond icon next to these properties. By setting keyframes at different points on the timeline, you instruct CapCut to smoothly transition between those defined states, creating the illusion of scrolling. 3D zoom is an advanced scroll effect technique that creates perspective transformations, where you adjust the z-axis depth to create a zooming in effect with parallax. Make sure to use the Motion Path tool to draw custom paths for nonlinear scrolls to make scrolling less jittery. This effect combines keyframing with adjustments to the element's scale and position. It can be used to make elements appear as if they are moving closer or further away from the viewer, adding depth and dynamism to the scroll. First, import your video clip or image into CapCut by selecting it from your device or library. Next, add the text or image you want to scroll as a new layer above your video. Position this layer exactly where you want the scroll animation to begin. Tap the diamond icon next to the position property in the editor panel to create your first keyframe at the starting position. Move the playhead on the timeline to the point where you want the scroll to finish. Then adjust the X or Y position of your text or image layer to its ending location on the screen. CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe. Preview your animation to see the scroll effect. If it looks robotic, select the keyframes on the timeline and choose a smoother easing option like ease in or ease out for more natural motion. To create a 3D zoom effect, enable the 3D mode in the Transform tool. Set keyframes for both scale and position, then apply easing curves for smooth, natural zooming motion that includes depth. To enhance your scroll effect, incorporate additional easing options like ease in out for smooth acceleration and deceleration. Use speed ramps by varying playback speed through keyframes, and apply blending modes such as overlay to create interesting layering effects. A final trick to avoid jittering in your scroll effects is to always preview your animation in real time using CapCut's playback controls. This helps ensure smooth, professional-looking motion.